guys, this is Ganga here, back with another video, Happy Herbs by Shrutika. So this video is going to be my 100% honest review. The main reason is no one sent me this product for free or they didn't pay me to review this product. So that means I purchased both the products with my own money, and in fact I paid extra money for the shipping as well. So let's get into the video. Like these products or not? So before I answer this question, I want to share few things with you. So do not skip this particular part if you genuinely thinking about buying these products, okay? So actress Shrutika, if you don't know about her, just go Google about her. You know, I have met her once in a mall. She was with her family. I fell in love with her the first time when I saw her. The skin quality, the brightness, you know, she didn't wear makeup. I was able to understand that she was not wearing any makeup. Her skin was like goddess, guys. You know, I was thinking, what only this girl is using here for her skincare. So recently I saw her, giving too many interviews in YouTube. Everywhere she's talking about her own skincare brand, and she was telling that she's only using these skincare products. I was like, oh my god, I know the secret behind my favorite girl. So immediately I went into the Happy Herbs website. I ordered these products, okay, and they reached me within 4 days. I live in Hyderabad. I got it within 4 working days, okay. The day one itself I started using it. Here is what I'm going to tell you. So these are the two products I ordered from Happy Herbs. This is their turmeric night repair cream, and this is their skin glow enhancer serum. They both are most sold and favorite products by many people. So yeah, so as I said, these both are the most sold products from the Happy Herbs website, and I've seen many YouTubers giving positive reviews about these both products, okay. That is one of the main reason I wanted to try out these products. And if you ask me if I like this product or not, I'm sorry Shrutika fans and Shrutika, sorry, I don't like these products. No, don't like, because first reason, wait. Can you just see the yellow cast? This is like fresh turmeric, okay? So when you're applying this at night and you're going to bed, this is staining my pillowcase. Nowhere that mentioned, it's going to stain or it's going to give that yellow cast. Even none of the YouTubers have, actually mentioned about this. This is actually staining my pillow cover. Imagine every single night you're going to bed and staining your pillow cover, that expensive pillow cover whatsoever. I don't like it if it's getting stained, because every day we can't change the pillow cover, right? So first reason, as I said, is staining my pillowcase. Just look at this. It's just freshly kept turmeric, okay? Nothing more. And secondly, why I'm not liking this product is because of the price. Let's talk about this. This is 842 along with shipping. See, brands like Dr. Sheth, Dermaco, they are like a brand by dermatologists. They themselves giving products for lesser price. They come up with lot of sales, lot of things, and even Dr. Sheth has called a healthy night face night face pack. Some cream is there which I'm using it. Similarly the same healthy, but not like this. And if you're allergic to turmeric, you have to stay away from this. I am allergic to turmeric. I get dry skin, itchy skin, so I'm not able to use it, okay. So second reason is very expensive. Happy Herbs, please consider in reducing your prices, because many known brands are coming with competitive price. So try to reduce the price. So next, this product, guys, this is the skin glow enhancer serum. And let me talk about the benefits here. It works on pores, gives an instant and evident glow, nourishes the skin. And this has got turmeric, aloe vera, saffron, and jasmine extract, manjista, and lotus extract, which are like beautiful ingredients. They say this is giving instant glow, okay. And in the package it's mentioned it is a evening wear, okay. Just 3 to 4 hours is enough to give an impact, and you can use it along with makeup as a makeup base. This is what the product claims. So, and in the website they have mentioned it gives a nice, very good hydration to your skin. See, I am not too dry skin. I am like combination skin. I have dry skin and oily skin as well. So to me, this product didn't work because I expect hydration, especially during the summer. I want that hydration on my skin and the glow on the skin. This didn't give that hydration because this get absorbed so quickly to the skin, and within 5 minutes or 10 minutes I'm not able to figure out where the serum is in my skin. So that quick it get absorbed and it's not giving any hydration. And if there is no hydration, there is no glow. They both are connected. I didn't get any glow. Trust me, no, zero glow. Zero glow. Maybe for some people it would have worked. If you had very oily skin, it might work, but if you're expecting this product to give that glow, evening glow, no glow. So this didn't give me any glow, and as I mentioned, you have to use it only for 3 to 4 hours. You shouldn't keep overnight. I did everything. No, it didn't work for me. And I'll tell you one more thing. There are many beautiful skin glowing serums in the market, guys, which gives you beautiful glow, and you can use it as a makeup base, and you can just even go to sleep with the serum also. It repairs your skin also. This, no, big no. For example, I want to tell you Rosehip serum from Good Vibes, okay, which is very cheap when compared to this, because this is 826 and I paid 901 along with the shipping charge. So the Good Vibes brand is my favorite because they're affordable skincare brand. They have Rosehip serum, glow serum, which gives beautiful glow and works on the skin also. And one more thing, if you have migraine or sinus issue, this is going to, trigger your migraine, because this smells, like fruity, floral, because of too many oils mixed. It's giving you, I'm getting headache, okay? I don't know about others, I'm getting headache. So this is a big no. That's it, guys. I hope this video was useful, and I hope I saved your pocket too. No hard feelings, okay? I'm sorry, Shrutika and her fans. I also love Shrutika and I love her skin. I think she's genetically beautiful, guys. And these products didn't work for me personally, okay? I don't know about others. And that's the reason I came up with this video, because I wanted to tell my review, and I even purchased these products to review only. So that's why I reviewed these products, even though I didn't like it. So if you guys like this honest review, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So for more such product reviews, you have to stay connected. So see you soon. Bye bye.